Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to prepare a simple recipe for cabbage. So I'm going to use a quarter cabbage, 2 eggs, salt and pepper, flour, onions, carrots, coriander and spring onions. I'll start by adding my oil, just a very little bit. That's enough. I'm going to add my onion, the white onion. Next, I'm going to add my cabbage. It's not finely chopped. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please continue watching and subscribe. To add my salt and pepper. I will then add my spring onions. Next, I'm going to add my carrots. I'm going to add my fryer, then 2 eggs. Go in with my coriander, I'll then add my cooked cabbage, and stir. Stir here. I'm going to cover this for a few minutes. I'm going to transfer this so that the other side can also be well cooked. So I'll pieces so that can be cooked on the other side. See my cabbage, eggs and flour, they are well cooked, so I'm going to turn off my gas. Final result, so yummy. Guys, please try this. So you can cut this into the amount of pieces that you want. Wow, this is just like a small pizza, cabbage pizza. It's delicious and yummy. Oh wow, see this. Wow, look at that. So you can see it's well cooked, very nice, very nice. Please guys, try this recipe in our home and comment below and tell me how it was. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye bye.